Welcome back friends. Previously we learned multiplication in a simple way. Okay, we solved some example of exercise 1.3, that is in homework. Also we solved example 2 and 3. Today we will continue with example 4 and 5 that is given in your textbook and exercise 1.3 of exercise example 3, 4 and 5. Okay, पहला टेक्स्ट बुक ना मैं एग्जांपल करीशु પછી एक्सरसाइज ना 3, 4 and 5. So example 4, in a class test containing 15 questions, 4 marks are given for every correct answer and -2 for every incorrect answer. Means जो आंसर राइट हो तो 4 मार्क्स અને રોંગ હોય તો -2 માર્ક્સ. Okay, first question in that, Gurpreet attempts all questions but only 9 of her answer are correct. ગુરમીતે શું કર્યું? બધા ક્વેશ્ચન્સ અટેન્ડ કર્યા પણ એમાંથી કેટલા રાઈટ છે? 9. So from the 9 correct answer, how many marks she got? 9 આન્સર કરેક્ટ હોય તો કેટલા માર્ક્સ થાય? 9 4 are 36. Okay, and if 9 are correct, જો 9 રાઈટ હોય તો કેટલા રોંગ થાય? 6 wrong થાય because total 15 question છે એમાંથી 9 correct છે તો 6 wrong થાય. So for a wrong question she will get -2 marks, means -2 multiplied 6. Okay, so we can write for correct answer plus 4 marks. So for 9 correct answer, 9 into 4, 36 marks. Okay, now for incorrect -2 marks. So how many incorrect answer? For 15 minus 9, that is 6 incorrect -2 multiplied 6, that is -12 marks. If for correct answer 4 marks, then for 9 correct answer 36 marks, and for 6 incorrect marks, for 6 incorrect question -12 marks. So total score કેટલા થશે? પહેલા 36, that is for correct answer, and -12 for incorrect answer. So our total score will be 24 marks. Okay, next part, one of her friends get only 5 answer correct. अगर any friend ना 5 answer correct હોય तो 5 answer correct, एक question correct लखे तो 4 marks, तो 5 question correct लखे तो 20 marks થાય. So for correct answer her friend get 20 plus marks. Okay, 5 answer correct હોય તો એના કેટલા wrong હોય? 15 માંથી 5 correct તો 10 wrong થયા. So 10 wrong થયા means એના incorrect marks કેટલા થશે? -2 multiply 10, that is -20. So same for correct answer plus 4 marks. So for 5 correct answer, 4 into 5, that is 20, that is positive marks. If 5 answer are correct, then if 5 answer are correct, then 10 answer are incorrect. -2 multiplied 10, that is -20 marks. So what will be her total score? 20, that is for correct answer, and -20 for incorrect answer. So 0. Same example is given in your exercise. Example 5. Suppose we represent distance above the ground by positive integer. Means ground ની ઉપરનું distance કેવી રીતે measure કરવાનું છે? Positive. And the distance below the ground by the negative integer. જો ground ની નીચે distance cover કરીએ તો એ શેનાથી represent કરવાનું છે? Negative integer. Then answer the following. First question in that, an elevator descend into the mine shaft at the rate of 5 meter per minute. Descent means distance covered in a downside. नीचे cover करे ने descent करे. Okay. So in 1 minute, per minute means in 1 minute, how much distance is covered? 5 meter. 1 minute માં 5 meter cover કરે છે. કઈ બાજુ? નીચેની બાજુ means down the ground level. What will be its position after 1 hour? Okay, અહીંયા શેનું distance આપ્યું છે? મિનિટ નું. Here and in a question we need to find for 1 hour. So first distance downside is presented by negative integer. Now so 5 will be minus 5. Distance covered in 1 minute is equal to minus 5 meter. Why? Because downside is represented by minus 5. Now how many minutes are there in 1 hour? 60 minutes. In 1 hour 60 minutes means we need to find distance in a 60 minutes. So distance covered in 60 minutes is equal to 60 multiplied minus 5, that is minus 300 meter. It means 300 meter down the ground level in covered in 1 hour. Okay, again distance in downside is represented by negative sign. So if distance is 5 meter, it means minus 5 meter in 1 minute. But here in a question we need to find for 1 hour. In 1 hour 60 minutes is there. So distance covered in 60 minutes is equal to 60 multiply minus 5. 1 minute માં 5 હોય તો 2 મિનિટ માં 10, 3 મિનિટ માં 15. Same for 60 minutes, 60 multiply minus 5, that is minus 300. What is this negative sign represent? It represents the distance covered downside the ground level. Same B part in that, if it begins the descent from the 15 meter above the ground. अब એવું કહે છે કે સ્ટાર્ટ ક્યાંથી કરે છે? 15 meter above the ground. If this is the ground, then 15 meter above the ground and you have to move to the downside. એટલે આ તો plus 15 થશે because it is above the ground. What will be the position after 45 minutes? Same rate 5 meter per minute and you need to cover 45 after 45 minutes. Okay, 15 will be positive and whatever distance covered in a downside will be negative. Why? Because ઉપરથી તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરે છે, ઉપરથી પહેલા 0 સુધી પહોંચશે. This is the ground level and from this if we move downside it will be represented by negative sign. ઉપર જે છે એ પોઝિટિવ અને ગ્રાઉન્ડ લેવલ થી નીચે જશું તો એ નેગેટિવ. સો in 1 minute minus 5 meter So in 45 minutes minus 5 into 45, that is, this is distance covered downside after 45 minutes, but it is started from above. Plus 15 because 15 is positive. Minutes below ground level. Whatever distance is covered above, that is positive. Distance covered below, that is negative. So after 45 minutes, that is 225. But ક્યાંથી સ્ટાર્ટ કરું તો ઉપરથી, એટલે એડ કરવું પડે -225 plus 15. So this -210 meter. So 210 meter distance covered in 45 minutes below the ground level. Example 3 of exercise 1.3, that is, first part in that, for any integer a, what is minus a multiply a equals to? If we multiply any integer with negative 1, -1, then it is minus a. कोई पण इंटीजर ने -1 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરું તો આન્સર શું આવે? -1. Why? Because one negative sign, so answer is negative. So from this you need to find second part. Determine the integer whose product with -1 is -22, 37 and 0. Means એવો integer find કરવાનો છે કે જેનો -1 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરું તો આન્સર -2 આવે. કયા નંબરનો -1 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરું તો -22 આવે? That is +22. Okay, if we multiply 22 with -1, answer is -22. If we multiply 30, which number we should multiply with -1 to get +37? કયો નંબર એવો છે જેને -1 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો તો પ્લસ આવે? When answer will be plus if there is a two negative number. બે negative number હોય તો જ answer plus આવે. So answer will be -37. If we multiply number with -1, we get answer 0. How can we get answer 0 as the answer? When 0 is multiplied with -1. કોઈ પણ નંબરનું 0 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો તો જ આન્સર 0 આવે. Okay, example 4. Starting from -1 multiply 5, write the various product showing some pattern to show -1 multiply -1 is equal to 1. Means you need to start from -1 multiply 5 and you have to show the pattern up to -1 multiply -1. It means you need to decrease this number. 5 ને decrease કરતા કરતા ક્યાં સુધી જવાનું છે? -1 સુધી. So we can write -1 multiply 5 is -5 -1 into 4, that is -4. How can we get -4? If we add 1 into -5. -1 into 3, that is -3. How can we get -4 plus 1? We need to add 1 into previous one. -1 into 2, that is -2, -3 plus 1. Okay, previous number નો જે આન્સર છે એમાં +1 એડ કરવાનો. As we are performing in a multiplication, 1 1 is 1, 1 2 is 2, means we are adding 1 in a previous one. -1 into 1, that is -1. How can we get that? -2 plus 1. So -1 into 0. 1 પછી શું આવે? 0. So 0. It means -1 plus 1. So it is 0. -1 multiply -1. So it is 1. How can we get that? Add 1 into previous one. સમજ પડી? જે પણ આગળનો આન્સર છે એમાં +1 એડ કરવાનો. So -5, if we add 1 into -5, we get -4. -4 plus 1, -3. -3 plus 1, -2. example, this can be asked in exam. You have to apply the property that we learn: closure, commutative or associative, distributive. Okay, you need to apply property that fix for example. જે example માં સેટ થતી હોય એ property apply કરવાની. Here first example, 26 multiply -48 plus -48 multiply -36. Can you remember any property? This is distributive property. How can we say that? If this is B, we can say A. Why this is A? Because here it is also A. બંને સેમ છે ને A કરી દીધું. C. So we can write A multiply B plus A multiply C. This is distributive property. So we can write. Can we take out common -48? બંનેમાં એક જ નંબર સેમ છે એટલે એને બહાર કોમન લઈ લેવાય. આપણે આવા એક્ઝામ્પલ ઓલરેડી 6th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં હોલ નંબર ચેપ્ટરમાં લર્ન કર્યા છે. So -48 take out common. What will be there in a bracket? 26 multiply plus -36. This is multiplication over addition, distributive property. 48 minus common, 26 plus -36 in a bracket. Now 26 is plus, -36 is minus. So answer is what? -10. One positive, one negative. Answer is -10. Now multiplication of that. So it is 480 positive because two negative sign. Clear? Again 48, 48. That is 8. Take out common. 26 plus -36 as it is. 26 plus -36. One is the positive integer, one is the negative integer. So subtraction of number, 36 minus 26, that is -10. Why? Because sign of greater number. Same second example. 8 multiply 53 multiply -125. Now in the previous video we learned the concept of making multiplication easier. So how can we make this multiplication easier? If you remember, 125 8s are 1000. So first we multiply 125 with 8 and then 53. 125 8s are -1000. Multiply 53. So answer is what? -53,000. Clear? This is rearranging, commutative property. Now for third one, 15 multiply -25 multiply -4 multiply -10. Can you see any number that gives multiplication easier? Yes, 25 4s are 100. -25 -4, two negative sign means it is a positive 100. So first we make a group of first two number, then -10 and 15. So this will give 100 -10 into 15. Now again this is -1000 into 15, so -15,000. Clear? Next example is -41 multiply 102. So what we need to do here? Here we need to split 102 as a 100 plus 2. -41 into 100 plus 2. Multiplication over addition. Apply the distributive property. -41 is multiplied with 100 and -41 is multiplied with 2. -41 100 plus 82, that is negative. Why? Because -41 multiplied with 100 is -4100 and -41 multiplied with 2 is -82. Both are negative, so add the number. So answer is -4182. Multiply -35 plus -625 multiply 65. Now you can see here -625 and -625, but this is negative. previous video, I explained that you can give this negative sign to the second number in a multiplication. So you can write 625 multiply minus 35 plus 625 minus 65. I give this negative sign to minus 65. Now you can see here 625, here 625, take out common. What will be there into the bracket? Minus 35 plus minus 65. Both are negative, add the number. So that is minus 100. Give the sign of greater number. Now these two are in a multiplication, so it will be minus 62,500. Next example, 7 multiply 50 minus 2. What we have to apply? Multiplication over subtraction. So we can multiply 7 with 50 and 7 with 2. 7 multiply 50 minus 7 multiply 2. 7 5 are 350 minus 14. Subtraction of number 336. Clear? Multiplication over subtraction. 7 is multiplied with 50. 7 is multiplied with 2. Same example. Minus 17 multiply minus 25. Now you can see both are negative, so it will be positive. 17 multiply 29. You can write like this because two negative sign, answer will be positive. So you can make both of them positive. Now 29 can be written as 30 minus 1. Again this is same as the previous one. So 17 is multiplied with 30 minus 17 is multiplied with 1 minus 70. Subtraction of number, that is 3, 0, 493 as the answer. Now 8th example, minus 57 multiply minus 90. These two are in multiplication plus 57. Now how can we use the property for this example? Both are negative, means we can write 57 multiply 90. In a multiplication, both are negative, means it is a positive. And 57 can be written like this. 57 multiply 1 because there is 1 in a multiplication with every number. But that number jode 1 to multiply ma hoy. 57 1 are 57. So we can write 57 1s are. Now 57, 57. Take out common into bracket 19 plus 1. So 57 into 20. 19 plus 1 is 20. So multiplication of 57 with 20 is 1140. અહીંયા multiplication માં કંઈ પણ નતું એટલે multiply 1 લખાય. So that's why 57 57 take out common into bracket 19 plus 1, that is 20. 57 multiply 20 is 1140. This is distributive property. Okay, example 6. A certain freezing process requires the room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. Statement માં શું કહે છે કે જે રૂમ ટેમ્પરેચર છે અત્યારે 40 ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ છે બટ એવરી અવર્સ એ ડિક્રીઝ થાય છે. ખબર પડી? અત્યારે રૂમ ટેમ્પરેચર from 40 degree means temperature is 40 degree. Now it is decreasing 5 degree Celsius every hour. એક કલાકમાં 5 degree Celsius ઓછું થાય છે. What will be the temperature 10 hours after the process begin? એટલે અત્યારે 40 ડિગ્રી છે અને લોવર થાય છે તો 10 hours પછી એનું ટેમ્પરેચર કેટલું થશે? જો 1 કલાકમાં 5 ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ ઓછું થતું હોય તો 2 કલાકમાં 10 ડિગ્રી ઓછું થાય તો 40 માંથી 10 ડિગ્રી ઓછું થાય એટલે 30 થયું. અગર 1 hour માં 5 ડિગ્રી ઓછું થાય તો 5 hour માં 25 hours means we need to find same for 10 hours. 1 કલાકમાં 5 ડિગ્રી તો 10 hours માં 50 degree Celsius lower થયું. Okay, so if 5 degree Celsius is decreased degrees in 1 hour. So in 10 hour, 10 multiply 5, 50 degrees Celsius degree. Okay, now temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. So after 10 hour, 40 minus 50 minus 10 degree Celsius. जिन पर टेम्परेचर होय एमांथी -50 करवा पड़े, बिकॉज अगर 10 डिग्री ओछું થાય તો 40 minus 10 30 डिग्री, जो 20 डिग्री ओछું થાય तो 40 minus 20 डिग्री, but here 50 degree is decreasing, means 40 minus 50, that is minus 10 degree Celsius after 10 hour. Now example 7 is in homework, that is same as example 5 of textbook, already explained કર્યો છે. In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are given for correct answer and -2 is given for incorrect answer. जो correct answer होय तो 5 marks, incorrect होय तो -2. So first Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect. 4 correct ना marks कितना થાય? 4 multiply 5 20 and 6 incorrect ना 6 multiply -2 minus 12. What is the score? 12 minus 12. Okay. Reshma gets 5 correct. 5 correct na marks 25 and 5 incorrect. Incorrect na marks -10. So 25 minus 10, whatever answer you get. Now third part is change. If 0 marks for not attempt, जो એને કંઈ પણ attempt ના કર્યું હોય તો 0 marks આપેલા હોય. Then find the Hina score if she has 2 correct and 5 incorrect. Means એને કેટલા attempt કર્યા? 2 plus 5 7 attempt કર્યા. એમાંથી 2 correct 5 incorrect. Okay, and 0 marks for not attempt. So for 2 correct answer 2 5s are 10 and for incorrect answer 5 multiply -2 -10. So plus 10 minus 10 answer will be 0. Okay, for this 8 and for this 15, for this it is 0.